But man is not made for deferred. A man can be destroyed but not defeated. Nothing in this world can take the place of persistence. Talent will not. Nothing is more common than unsuccessful men with talent. Genius will not. Unrewarded genius is almost a reward. Education will not. The world is full of education, delects, persistence, and determination alone are omnipotent. A failure is not always a mistake, it may simply be the best one can do under the circumstance. The real mistake is to stop trying. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lesson of failure. Failure is the key to success. Each mistake teaches us something. Every failure is the step to success. Success is not built on success, it's built on failure. It's built on friction, sometime it's built on costly form. Success breeds complacency, complacency breeds failure. Only the pronounced survives. Failure is condiment that gives success its flavor. I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. The greatest glory in living lies not in never failing but in rising every time we fall. Every adversity, every failure, every heartache carries with it the seed of an equal or greatest benefit. You are capable of more than you know. Choose a goal that seems right for you and strive to be the best, however hard the path. Aim high, behave honorably, prepare to be alone at times, and the endure failure, persist. The world need all you can give. An essential aspect of creativity is not being afraid to fail. Do not be embarrassed by your failure, learn from them and start again. The season of failure is the best time for sowing the seed of success. Make mistakes are the portal of discovery. It is important to live without falling at something, unless you live so courageously that you might as well not have lived at all, in which case you have failed by default.